Click on the link below to get price. The FloDry Industrial LGR Dehumidifier in gray is an impressive piece of equipment designed to tackle moisture issues in various environments, from construction sites to flooded basements. Its robust construction and advanced technology make it a standout option for both commercial and residential users seeking effective humidity control. One of the key features of the FloDry Industrial LGR Dehumidifier is its large capacity for moisture removal, rated at up to 80 pints per day, depending on the ambient conditions. This level of performance is particularly beneficial in areas prone to high humidity or significant water damage, such as post-flood restoration projects. The dehumidifier operates efficiently even at lower temperatures, thanks to its Low Grain Refrigerant (LGR) technology, which allows it to extract moisture effectively even in challenging conditions. Portability is another important aspect of the FloDry design. Weighing around 70 pounds, it is surprisingly easy to move around, aided by its durable wheels and a sturdy handle. This mobility is crucial for industrial settings where the dehumidifier may need to be relocated frequently. The compact size does not sacrifice functionality, allowing it to fit into tight spaces without compromising performance. The user interface is straightforward, featuring an intuitive control panel that allows for easy operation. Users can set the desired humidity level, and the unit will automatically adjust its performance to maintain those settings. Additionally, the continuous drainage option is a game changer, eliminating the need to manually empty the water tank. For those concerned about energy efficiency, the FloDry LGR is ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring that it operates in an eco-friendly manner while saving on electricity bills. Noise levels are another important consideration when selecting a dehumidifier, especially for residential use. The FloDry LGR operates at a sound level of around 60 dBA, which is comparable to the hum of a standard household appliance. While it is not the quietest model on the market, it is certainly acceptable for settings where background noise is expected. Users can have it running during the day without it becoming an intrusive presence. The construction quality of the FloDry Industrial LGR Dehumidifier is commendable. Built to withstand the rigors of industrial environments, it features a robust casing that protects the internal components from damage. This durability ensures that the unit can withstand drops, bumps, and the wear and tear typically associated with heavy usage, making it a reliable investment for anyone in need of long-term moisture control. Maintaining the dehumidifier is straightforward, largely due to its accessible design. The air filter is easily removable and washable, which is essential for ensuring the unit operates at peak efficiency. Regular maintenance of the filter will not only prolong the life of the dehumidifier but also enhance its moisture removal capabilities. The unit also features an automatic shutoff function when the water tank is full, preventing any overflow issues. In terms of customer satisfaction, the FloDry Industrial LGR has garnered positive reviews across various platforms. Users appreciate its effectiveness in significantly reducing humidity levels and preventing mold growth, which is a critical concern in damp environments. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality and overall comfort after using the dehumidifier, highlighting its value in both residential and industrial applications. While the initial investment may seem steep for some, the long-term benefits of using the FloDry LGR Dehumidifier far outweigh the costs. For businesses dealing with water damage restoration or environments that require strict humidity control, this unit can drastically reduce repair costs and improve working conditions. For homeowners, it offers peace of mind, especially in regions prone to high humidity or flooding. In conclusion, the FloDry Industrial LGR Dehumidifier is a top-tier solution for anyone facing humidity issues. Its combination of powerful moisture removal capabilities, ease of use, portability, and durable construction make it a fantastic choice for both industrial and residential users. Whether you are dealing with the aftermath of a flood or simply looking to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, this dehumidifier is well worth considering. With its advanced technology and user-friendly features, the FloDry LGR is likely to exceed expectations and deliver.